Twitter's blue tick has been the center of controversy since Elon Musk chose to introduce Twitter Blue shortly after his acquisition of the platform in October of 2022. The paid subscription would reappropriate the checkmark to instead differentiate those who are paying the $8 per month fee rather than verified public figures. The user response to the news was swift and severe, giving birth to the #BlockTheBlue movement. And, as predicted by many when the idea was first introduced by Musk, there was a wave of account impersonations by individuals purchasing Twitter Blue subscriptions and tweeting using the display names of celebrities and well-known brands. Musk also announced that legacy verified accounts would have their blue ticks removed if they weren't subscribed to Twitter Blue by April 2023. On Thursday, he delivered on his promise. The blue checkmark was removed from all non-paying users, regardless of previous status. However, within days, in an out-of-the-blue, but not out-of-character change of policy, many non-paying celebrities reported having their blue checkmarks unexpectedly restored. One Twitter user, Klass, noted that the icon had been restored for, quote, A, people who have 1 million followers, and B, those he personally deems worthy of the dishonor, according to his whims, end quote. Others accused Musk of trolling his critics by adding the blue checkmark to their accounts when they'd explicitly expressed their disdain for the icon. Musk was also criticized for adding the blue checkmark to the accounts of deceased celebrities like Koby Bryant, which implies they are paying for the subscription. Musk has defended the move as a way to encourage citizen journalism and give a platform to the real voice of the people, without the filter of traditional media. But his critics are unrelenting. Attorney and journalist Seth Abramson tweeted that Musk could face civil suits for fraud, identity theft, and deceptive trade practices due to his tactics. Overall, the public reaction to Musk's treatment and application of the blue checkmark has been overwhelmingly negative, with many users questioning his motives and the consequences of these actions. As Twitter continues to grapple with the implications of Musk's decisions, it remains to be seen how this will affect the platform and its users in the long run. What do you think about the reappropriation of the blue tick? Is it a step forward for citizen journalism or a deceptive tactic? Will Elon Musk lead to Twitter's rejuvenation or ruination? Share your thoughts, like this video if you found it interesting, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already.